Lord, keep us safe this night, secure from all our fears. May angels keep the warning light.
It used to happen this often. People lost their belongings, their crafts, and even their homes. It is real and it is happening now.
3 go.
So karon mag-interview tas mga nakasinati ug baha dayon kung unsa ang ilang masulti kalabot niini.
Magbaha diri sa among lugar, nahadlok nila. Ay mga bata, mga
Okay. Unsa pa imong maistorya about sa atong kalibot?